Guys, good evening. Welcome to live. Yesterday we discussed about display network, a part one video. Today we're going for a part two video where some advanced options are there. I'm going to cover. So already Harsha has done the work. He created a display network and then sent it to me for a Yashoda Hospital knee replacement surgery. Okay, right. So today I'm going for a part two where I'm going to show some advanced options actually in the display networks. So do you have any questions till now? Pavan, Harsha, Lakshmi? No questions, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me go again and I'll show you here. Right. I think this is the live campaign going of someone. So I don't want to disturb this. Qatar. I don't know, someone gave me access and still it's there. Let's go for another one. Right. So I'm creating a display campaign again and with some options. So let me revise the topic so that will be easy for you. So display campaign network, mostly this is for a branding. Ad is both of image, banner, rich media interactive ad. Bidding type will be CPM, cost per mile or cost per thousand impression. When your ad appear 1,000 times, you have to pay money. And your ad will appear not on websites, it's appear on Google display networks, means the websites which are partnered with the Google, and on YouTube also I will appear, and apps also. Apps who are partnered with the Google. You can filter your ad by age, gender, affinity, keywords, placements. So you can target by a particular place like Hyderabad, age group like 21 to 35, male or female, affinity nothing but interest based. Like if a person likes banking and finance, you can target that guy. How does Google know? Based on the past activity, Google know that. So there are options like banking and finance. If you select that, your ad will go to the people who like banking and finance, who like travel, who like fashion, like this. Keywords. Keywords is not like a search network keywords. That is different. This is different. Keywords means show ad on the website who are talking about these keywords. If I mention a keyword like what is digital marketing, if this keyword is there in a particular blog, there my ad will appear. This is really good. More of contextual targeting. Most of the companies use that. Placement is nothing but particular websites only. Show my ad on the particular websites only. But when you're really working on the real estate companies, some other lead generation companies, these are not enough. You should try more. Those options I'm going to show you today. And apart from this, in a display network, two things are important. One is your ad copy, how you create an ad, because it has to be appealing. Second thing is targeting. Your targeting is not good when your ad go to relevant customer. Your targeting is good, your ad copy is not good, people will not see it. So both are very, very important. So let me create one campaign and I'll show you what are the advanced options available. We're going to touch each and everything. So plus campaign, new campaign, create a campaign without a goal, and I'm going for a display campaign. Continue. What is your website name? Campaign name. Yes, see the left hand options, campaign setting here, location and language. So I want to target Hyderabad. Language is English. There are more settings we discussed already. Ad rotation. If you have multiple ads, Google will rotate. Scheduling is nothing but Monday to Friday, which day you want to run an ad, which time you want to run the ad, you have a control. Next, which devices you want to show the ad. If you are specific that I want to show my ads only on smartphones, you can do that. That option is also there. Okay, everything is done. Click on next. Now campaign setting is done. Now budget setting. So what is your budget, daily budget? What is your bidding? So I want to pay some 1,000 rupees as daily budget. And what do you want to focus on? Whether you're focusing on conversions, fresh campaigns, it's always good to go for impressions. Like companies who want to do a branding, go for impressions. You already have a search network, traffic is coming, you're already tracking the conversions, go for a conversions. So I'm saying 1,000 impression. How much you want to pay? I'm saying 500. Based on that right hand side, you will see the analytics. Right. Then budget and bidding is done. Next is the targeting. Now we're gonna learn so many targeting methods here. Just focus on it. So all of you know that these things, demographics, keywords, and placement, we know it. We'll check this again. And later we'll go for remaining options. Demographics, see gender wise you can target, age wise, parental status, household income, even income based also you can target. This is the top 10% means rich people. Slowly it comes into the lower middle class, whether they are parents or non-parents, what is their age, gender wise you can target. Next, you can target by the keywords. Keywords means I'm saying like I can use phrase match here as well. What is digital marketing? If I mention my ad will appear on the website where that blog have a keyword called what is digital marketing. There my ad appearing. Now you can target the ad, learn digital marketing and 100% job. You want to know what is digital marketing, come here and see. So whatever, maybe you can put a video or something. Give a link and link back to your YouTube as well. So keywords targeting, this is really good actually. Like Dr. Batra, if you really want to get the leads for hair transplantation, then he says that hair loss will target the ads. So his ad will go to the website where they're talking about hair loss. So then he shows that worried about hair loss, come back to us. That's really a good ad. This is about the keywords. Next, placement is about the particular website. I want to say particular website. You don't have a website name. Actually, you don't know what is a website. Like you want to go for a job portals. Type job portals. And automatically the websites it will show. Which are the job portals available. It will show you. Now websites. See e-job time, job rascals, jobs Gujarat, KK Job News. So there are so many jobs. Now you want to target on Naukri. Let's see, Naukri.com. If Naukri is Google Display Network, then definitely they'll show the ad up there. Sometimes takes time. It seems Naukri is not part of this. Then Freshers now, some related websites are coming. Freshers World, it's coming. Okay. So in such a way, websites can also target YouTube channels, or YouTube videos or apps you can target. So this is about the placement. So I'm not selecting anything as of now. I'm just showing an option. Next. Next is audience segments. Here, so many options are there. Go for browse. We already learned affinity. Affinity means show my ad on to the people who love banking and finance, beauty and wellness, food and dining. Based on their past behavior, Google target this. Instead of this, there are so many options are there. You can see this detailed demographics. In the normal demographic, Pawan, you understanding right what I'm saying? Pawan, are you with
Uh,
me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let me go for advanced one now. So till now we covered yesterday's. Here, when it comes to demographics, we have age, have gender, whether they are parent or non-parent. We have an option. Gender, like you can say gender 21 to 40. You can say gender male and female. Say parent or non-parent. But assume that there is a company fertility center. Fertility center like infertility centers. Infertility center, they want to target the ads for the people who are married, who are married, but they don't have a kids. They want to target. With the normal option, see 21 to 40, I can say. Gender male and female, I can say. But what I can say? I can say
Non-parent.
not a parent. Not a parent, I can say. But we don't know right whether they are married or not. Some people who are 40 but still they are not married. If you go for infertility center ad, it's irrelevant. In this case, this detailed demographics option will be good for you. Above affinity, there is an option called detailed demographics. Here, see marital status option is there. Marital status married. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now you're stressing married. Then go back to the previous option. What option? The previous option, where is that? Yeah, demographics. Here you're saying not a parent. Is it good or not? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On. So I'm
Yes, sir.
selecting married and who are not a parent. Means they don't have a kids. This is going to be a beautiful option. So you will target the right customer. So that is the beauty of this option here. So I'm selected married. Now in such a way, there are so many options are there. Parental status, parents, again here, parents of infants, parents of toddlers, parents of grade schoolers. Do you know when this will be helpful? Parent of teens 13 to 17 years. In which businesses you can target them?
No, it doesn't. Like we need infidelity, right? So we don't need
No,
to have
I forget about infertility. It's done. Apart from this, with this information, whom you will target?
0 to 1
No,
baby
no. You
case
have Google is giving information like parents of infants information is giving, toddlers, preschoolers, grade schoolers. With this information, what kind of businesses you can target them?
from baby.
School, colleges, hospitals,
Yes,
kindergarten, or else baby product, anything you
yes,
can target. So this information is really good actually. Okay. That's why dig more into this, see what all the options are there. Marital status, education, current college students. Now people are going for a college. So these kind of people you can target travel, fashion, or else any uh, education related things. They want to go to abroad, high level of education attainment, high school graduates, bachelor's degree, advanced degree, then home ownership status, homeowners, renters. Now we have information like homeowners and renters. With this, what will you do, guys? What kind of ads you will run here? Homeowners, what kind of ads you will run? Renters, what kind of ads you will run? It's up to you, your creativity. Homeowners means maybe they're looking for interior designer, maybe they're looking for a plumber, painters. Renters means they keep on moving on. Maybe they have a dream of buying a new home. Then show the ad. Show with affordable price so that there is a possibility they will buy. So make use of this detailed targeting option. Okay, right. Next, there is one more option called in-market audience. What they are actively looking. Okay, Lakshmi, what happens every time it's go and off? Any problem with your network? Okay, home repairs, pest control. Yeah. So in-market audience. Here, you might have seen something like you searching for a keyword called digital marketing course in Hyderabad. You searched on Google only. Okay, you just searched. You never been to any website. You didn't click anywhere. But surprisingly, whenever you've been to a website, a particular company ad is coming. Great Learning, Simple Learn, an Academy, Udemy, these kind of ads are coming. Have you ever experienced these kind of things, guys? You search something, you never been to any website, but still the ad is coming. Again, this is because of the Google option called in-market audience. Here, I'm just removing this. In-market audience, in-market segments, here. Apparel and accessories means nothing but they already search related to apparel and accessories. Again, here also, they look for activewear, backpacks, costumes, eyewear. They search for sunglasses. Then immediately your ad will appear over them. Handbags, hats, jewelry, many things. Arts, baby products, business services. So there are no specific keywords, but see education, foreign language study, post-secondary study. There is no exact keyword, but group of keywords are there. Real estate. This is really good. Someone looking for residential properties for rent, residential properties for sale. Whenever they're searching, again, apartments for rent, houses for rent. So they're already searching 2 BHK apartment for rent. Then your relevant ad is coming. They wonder, and there is a possibility they'll convert. So they didn't give exact keywords, but the group of keywords they understood. Harsha and Pawan Lakshmi understood?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So on the search page, it's gonna appear the ad
It will appear.
on a search page.
No,
Like
ad
if
will not appear on the search page. Ad will appear on the websites only. But here, what I'm targeting is there is one guy who look for apartment for rent. I know who is this guy. I should not Lakshmi. Lakshmi is somewhere staying in Bhimvaram. He search for apartment for rent. Then whenever he been for another websites, then my ad will appear. 2 BHK apartment for rent.
okay, so
So we are
then
targeting people here.
yeah, okay,
Okay. We're targeting the people. So what they are actively researching or planning. Clear, guys? Online
yeah,
students who are watching live, any questions? Let me know. Okay, so this is the in-market audience, very good option. But problem is we don't know what people are actually searching. Just a guess actually. But if you really want to go, okay, here some more option is there. In-market segment, live events. Life event means like a college graduation. You're also searching only graduating soon, recently graduated, recently graduated, recently job change. They started a new job. Recently they started a new job. Any idea upon what kind of ads you will target them? Means they're getting a salary now. Credit card people, banking people, they keep on target them.
Yes.
Marriage. See, getting married soon. What kind of ads you will show?
Uh,
Getting married soon.
matrimony services.
No, they already
No,
fixed
getting married.
matches.
Okay.
So wedding
Function
photographer,
halls. Yeah,
wedding
photograph.
photographer, yeah,
Okay.
event planner. Recently married means what will you target?
Uh, home furniture.
Home furniture can be honeymoon trips, travel.
Yeah.
These things you can target. To how long back search show their interest will be shown in the ads. Pradeep, that's not clear. Like how long? Definitely, Google might have take it to the people who actively searching recently, maybe a month. That information is not given. But you know what? Google want to try to reach the people, maybe a recent one only. Yeah. So there are so many options. See the retirements, moving again, moving soon, recently moved, purchasing a home. They're purchasing home, recently purchased the home. Recently purchased the home means interior designers, all the things. Again, people have retired. Retired means what will you target? Recently retired, retired. So they have a lot of money. Maybe they might buy a house. They might have insurance plans. So try to utilize this information in the future whenever you cross the companies, target them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So this is in market audience, but I'm going to show you a great option here. Custom audience segments. Custom audience segments, you have a control. Whereas the in-market audience, what they are actively searching here. Custom means you telling. Create a custom audience by including people with specific interest you can mention. Like I want to target the people who are interested in sports and travel. That I can have. Next, purchase interested people who want to purchase handbags. Next, Google search terms means people who are searching the particular keyword. This is the beauty of this option. You can mention the keywords who are searching for this keyword. I want to target them. Okay, so custom audience, segment name, like assume that digital marketing course students. I'm creating a segment name. Now they have options here. People with any of these interests or purchase intentions are people who search for any of these terms on Google. So I'm typing like digital marketing course training in Hyderabad, digital marketing course institute, digital marketing fees. Pawan, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling to Google, whoever already searching this keyword, they're already searching this keyword, show my ad to them. This is a beautiful option, guys. Definitely you'll get good results. Now I'm talking about digital marketing only. What about real estate? 2 BHK apartments for sale, 3 BHK apartment for sale. I can target them. Okay, search is much better than anything else. This is just a interest, purchase interest. But here people already searching. This is the good. This is one option you can remember in the segment. Next,
People who browse types of websites.
you have option called people who browse types of websites. Like you have a competitor. Assume that your competitor have a very good business. So let's take, you might have seen IIT is doing a lot of marketing, right, digital marketing. And some people might have been to the website. Maybe because of the price, they didn't join the course. Now you should take advantage of that. Now go here and mention the website URL. Now here, I'm not saying that I'm targeting that website. people who browse websites similar to IID. So mostly IID means really digital marketing only. Now I came to know that Pawan, Lakshmi, and Pradeep, these all people actively searching for IID kind of things. Now I have a people information. Now I will target them only. I will target those people. Wherever they go, my ad will appear. In such a way, all the competitors' website you already just mentioned it, that is good for you. So people who browse websites similar to see, enter website URLs that your ideal customer might visit. Your ads will reach people who browse websites similar to the URLs you enter. This doesn't mean that ads will show on those URLs. Obviously, ad will not appear on these also because they are not a Google Display Partner website. Why will they show ads? Pradeep, correct. You can go for this option. We can also save this segment and keep for future also with a hoster. Correct. You can do this. Next, there is a more option. People who use types of apps. Like you have some apps, like you related to food actually. You started a new delivery app in market. Now you can mention Swiggy, Zomato. People already using this thing. So you can, so whenever you created a new app, already existing partner competition is there. Show your ads to them. This is really good for you. Makes sense, right? So that
Yeah.
you can target market if your app have good. So these are all the different options we have in the display network. So if whenever you filter like this, your ad will go to the relevant customer and you can get good benefit. Finally, all of you know that how to make an ad. Yesterday we discussed, and once you have an ad, so here while you're making an ad, you can use Canva. But you know, Canva is good for social media. They don't have a Google Ads format. So on that case, what you can do is Google Ads display ad sizes. They clearly mention display ad sizes. What are the sizes? Google approve. Take those sizes only. See here, 750 by 100, vertical rectangle 240 by 100, panorama, top banner, triple widescreen, net board. There are different kinds of ads available. Just the ad specification. One second, I'll go to the right option. Let me read some article. Instead of the Google. Okay, here I'm showing you. Yeah, 250 by 20, 250 square ad, small square, banner ad, leaderboard. Mostly people use leaderboard here on the header and footer. Inline rectangle, right hand side people use. Skyscraper, this is also right hand side they use. Wide skyscraper, large skyscraper, 300 by large leaderboard. Okay, 970 by 90. Now go to Canva. You don't have a specific sizes, then go to create a size, go for a custom size, then mention this 970 by 90. 970 is the width, 90 is the height. Then you have this where you can, this ad will appear on the header or footer. Now you can design whatever you want. There are some templates or you can try your own. So I'm just working on this background. Right. So I'll tell you something about the content as well here. Six months diploma course, and I'm writing 100% job. We should spend more time on creating this, but I'm not spending much time. If I spend much time, we can create a good banner. Right? Then your brand name. If you want, you can upload a logo. Don't worry when you're working for the companies. Your company have designers. They'll create a best one for you, or else you will be having ample time to create it. So I'm going to tell you what is important while you're doing it. Text. Control now. I'm taking this text color as white and increasing the size, and I'm using this here in this. Okay, right. So this is the ad which will display on the website and the word bar below on the GDN networks. But let's see this. When I scroll down, the ad is coming, right? This is the, see how they done it. The logo, their content, and the call to action button. Okay. Whenever you're creating ad, too much text, don't do it because people attention will go on a graphic, not on the text. So don't add too much text. Mandatory things are your logo or brand name, what value you are giving, because people want to stop, right? Up to 65% off on WordPress hosting. This will drive them. So what value you are giving? Then call to action button. So these things you have to keep in mind while you're creating an ad. First, second guys. Pradeep, you can use the phone number. There is no such restrictions. You can happily utilize it. Don't use too much text on banners. I can say 20% text will work. Not only in Google, even in social media as well. Third, main thing is and the logo or name. What should be there? What value you are giving? That is very important. Fifth is call to action button. These are mandatory. If you want to have something else, then you can go for create urgency, like limited seats. This is the creating urgency. It's not mandatory, but in some case, really starting soon, you can create an urgency. So while you're creating a banner, you have to keep in mind when you're working for the big companies, you don't have to do this. The developer will do, designer will do. Sit with him, make sure that they have all these things. But when you're working for the small companies, you only have to do it. If you want to do it, Canva is one good, but one more beautiful option is Banner Snack. But now their name has been changed. Uh, they named it as something else now. Creotopy. They're really good actually. Creotopy is really good. They mostly target the Google Ads only. But this is not free. Initially, only three images you can create. But if you have paid version, this is equal to Photoshop or Corel Draw. Even you can create HTML5 images as well. Because we should always know the different tools. When the company doesn't have resources, you should go and jump it and do it. Right. So once you have this, you can upload those images. In this case, yeah, we're done, right? Everything is done, you can download. See, when it comes to me, brand name is there. It's not attractive because we didn't spend much time. Then I'm mentioning my what value I'm giving, 100% job. I'm giving a call to action button. If I want, I can mention limited seats available. I'm creating urgency as well. Right. Here, whatever the images you created, you can upload. So you have an option to upload. When you want to upload, don't upload only one file size. That is waste. Now, just now we discussed, right? Now only one file size because your ad is appearing on some website, some abc.com. Maybe they don't have a leaderboard option. They have only this option. That's why try to create all the sizes and upload here. Now Google will decide whenever the website comes, what space is available. Based on that, it will pick it. Okay. So whenever you create these kind of ads and being there, your ad will be very good actually. You have a very good chance of getting a customers. Okay. Just now we've seen on our material website, ad was very attractive. The Bluehost ad was really good actually. But you don't have a time, you don't have a resources, then Google have one more option called responsive. So you can use free stock photos like we did yesterday. I'm showing you. If you mentioned digital marketing, these are not that much effective, but the beauty of them is you can, it will create automatically in all sizes. The clarity of the image might not be this much great, but whether ad is appearing on the website, app, or smartphone, some tablet, this is the cool option. So yesterday we selected two ratios, multiple images we can select, not only one. So I've selected two. I'm selecting this as well. Save. Now automatically Google will keep on shuffle them. So it's taking time. So this is called responsive display ad, where you don't have to create a separate banners like this automatically. So if you have a resources, it depends on this. If you don't have a resources, you want to do it in a fast way, then you can go for these options. Okay, it's taking time, but it will approve. Yesterday I show you the sample as well, how it looks. Okay. Pawan, any questions so far?
Awesome.
So let me take one image. Choose many. Select two ratios. Save. Harsha, any question you have?
No, sir.
Lakshmi, any question you have?
Right.
Lakshmi is keep on disappearing and coming. Maybe she has some.
Everything is clear, sir, but the information is too much for my little brain, so I have to go through this again.
Today's class, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Yes, of course. But you know what? When you're working on the real campaigns, the beauty of these options you will understand. Anyway, this will be uploaded on YouTube, right? Watch these 2 days classes again and again.
okay,
Definitely one day it will help you.
okay.
Okay. And Pradeep, CPM should be sir. So Pradeep, generally, initially run blindly with some amount, then you'll understand how it is working. Based on that, you can move forward. Why? Because in search network there is an option of competition. Like you have 7 ads only. You have a clear competition. Display there is no such uh, competition. That's why whatever the amount you put, it will go. But if you want to win the top options, competitors are coming lot, then the more amount will be good. But initially go with the minimal amount only. Okay. Pradeep, what do you do actually? Are you a digital marketer already? You're learning, you're working somewhere. Muhammad Aftab, e-commerce also display ad is good, but for e-commerce, we have a separate option called shopping ads, which we're gonna discuss 3 classes on that. So Pradeep, you're learning. Okay. So you joined any institute, Pradeep? How are you learning? After we'll have a separate class on that. We'll be learning this. Now today display is done. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about video ads. The next day mobile app. After the 3 classes, we'll be working on the shopping ads only. After that, I will revise everything. You all of you going to write 5 Google exams. You will be getting certifications. Now website designing is done, SEO is done, Google ads done. Then we'll search for a jobs as well. For social media, uh, we'll search for a job. You keep on doing a part-time jobs. Then we'll learn the social media as well. Okay. Chalo guys, online students, Mohammad Aftab and Pradeep. If you come across any students who will recommend our course, we have started a 6 months course online, and so far 6 people have joined already. So we're taking more. Our goal is to get 20 students. So this is the website. And if anyone joined because of your reference, you'll be getting 10,000 as a referral amount, which was 30 days. Pradeep, the 30 days workshop, is it from Chennai people? There are some people from Chennai who have took the 30 days one. And how was that? You learned something from them. And since how long you're following our channel? Are you learning something here? You want any improvement here? Pawan, what about to Mallikarjun is not coming?
Sir, he has some health issue. He's in hospital today. He said, and he said he need 2 days of sleep.
Oh, really?
Some kidney
Who's reading?
no, sir, not that serious. It's just medical problem like stones in the kidney.
ఆయనకి నా ప్రాబ్లం వేరే వాళ్ళగా
ఆయనకే సార్ ఆయనకే నార్మల్గా ఉందంట. కిడ్నీలో రాళ్ళు ఉన్నాయంట. మెడిసిన్స్ వాడితే తగ్గిపోయింది అని అన్నారు.
ఓకే ఓకే చలో 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 Pawan, practice all of them. I didn't get a report today, so please send me tomorrow. And Harsha మళ్ళీ చెయ్యి ఆప్షన్స్ పెట్టి Lakshmi, you also do it with all the options and send it to my email. I'll check this. Okay, Lakshmi?
Okay, sir.
Right. Right, Pawan. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll talk about YouTube ads.
Okay.
Like while you're watching a YouTube, suddenly ads will come, right? How to do that, I'm gonna tell you. Chalo, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Harsha, stay online.